As college students, we work hard and do the best we can in school to better our own future. After we get a degree and graduate college, we move on to the real world. We look for jobs and other opportunities just like most adults in today's world. Unfortunately, it is as hard as ever for recent college graduates to find a job that is a good fit or to find a job at all. I'm Bradley Simon, and I want to inform you all a little bit about the reality of unemployment, underemployment, and degree inflation in regard to recent college graduates. Graduating college is one of the most fun and exciting times, but also one of the most stressful times in a young adult's life. From 2009 to 2011, 22 to 35-year-olds have the highest unemployment rate in over 2 decades, as shown by this graph, where the unemployment rate for students with a bachelor's degree or higher was 5%. This is a very high number due to the fact that more and more people are looking for the same jobs when they first graduate college. Underemployment is also a major issue in recent college graduates. Underemployment is, quote, not having enough paid work or not doing work that makes full use of their skills and abilities. As you can see in this graph, college graduates are working jobs that do not require all of the skills that they possess. These workers could be working at higher level jobs, but they are not able to find a job that is a good fit, so they are settling for a lower level, lower paying job. A report by Burning Glass and the Strata Institute found that 43% of recent college graduates are underemployed in their first job out of college. This means that almost half of college graduates are not getting the jobs that they are qualified for, most likely paying them less money and not providing them with the future that they worked so hard to deserve. The job market is very competitive in this day and age, and college degrees are seeming to be less and less important. 54% of psychology majors are underemployed in their first job. This means that more than half of all psychology majors, a very popular college major, are not finding jobs they have worked hard towards. As you can see by this chart, many of the most popular majors like education, health, business, and engineering are some of the toughest to find a job that requires recent college graduates with the correct skill set. A quote from Forbes.com on underemployment. Colleges can start to tackle underemployment by nudging students to choose fields of study that are more in demand in the workforce. But underemployment really speaks to the need for new providers and new models of post-secondary education to more aptly meet the demands of today's economy. This raises the question: should students be going into college looking to study what they want to study? Or should they be going into college looking to study what will help them get a job, even if they do not choose the topic? I, for one, would rather be working at a job I'm excited to work at, rather than a job that pays more or is easier to get. This brings up the idea of degree inflation. The term degree inflation refers to the practice of requiring job candidates to possess a college diploma when the job type did not traditionally require a 4-year degree. An increase in degree inflation can occur when there is an oversupply of candidates with college degrees. As you can see by this graph, almost 1 million more bachelor's degrees are awarded to college students in 2016 than in 1987. This makes the job market more and more competitive for recent college graduates looking for a job. If there are more qualified people looking for a job, everyone will have less of a chance to get the job that they are looking for. So what do we as current students do now? As a current college student, picking a major seems to be less of a focus for students. Being connected, working hard, and having real-world knowledge seems to be what companies are looking for, rather than a college graduate who may be qualified, but do not have real-world experience or the drive to always be better. Companies would seem to rather have an upbeat, hardworking, and more connected candidate rather than a person that is smart, well-qualified, but not hardworking. For now, it seems to pay off to be a hardworking and caring individual, but times are always changing. Thank you.